Welcome, friend. To turn off iCloud on open menu devices, first navigate to Settings and open Wi-Fi. Click I button next to Wi-Fi and select Configure Proxy. Click Manual and enter the server and port as mentioned. Then, click Save. Next step is to open Safari and navigate to mentioned address. Click and download the Fiddler certificate and click Allow and proceed installation of the certificate. Wait for successful install and then proceed to next step. Turn on the installed profile under Certificate Trust Settings. Now navigate to Settings, followed by iCloud and turn off and on Game Center few times till Find My iPhone turns off.